anything is possible. I know what I want. I am clear on my aspirations. I spend quality time dwelling on my dreams. I can easily imagine what my future looks and feels like when my dreams come true. I practice manifesting what I desire every day, even in small ways. I fulfill all of my desires. I allow myself to continue to dream. I deserve to have my dreams come true. I am able to achieve anything I put my mind to. I work with the universe to attract what I want. I gratefully and openly invite abundance into my life. I am ready and willing to step into the best version of myself. I let my creativity shine. I have unlimited creativity when I allow myself to just create. I give myself permission to unabashedly generate the results I want. I manifest success in my life every day. I create my life. I am the key to my success. I manifest magic in my life. I make room for what I desire. I can manifest anything I desire because I am willing to release guilt. I am ready to let go of grief. I dismiss anxiety. I can manifest anything I desire because I disengage with fear and doubt. I replace anger with compassion. I attract excitement. I embody positivity. I invite peace into my life. I am extremely productive. My purpose and actions motivate others. I exemplify wellness. I welcome prosperity, excitement, and fulfillment into my life. I allow myself to love and be loved. I can manifest anything I desire because I accept myself completely. I know without a shadow of a doubt that I am enough. I am a light in the darkness. I choose to extend my light into the world. I am a luminary.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.